Hi, my name is Dr. Laura Pate. I'm a chiropractic physician at Absolute Healthcare Advanced Chiropractic in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Today I'm bringing you a stretching video using the foam roller again. This time we're going to foam roll out the top part of your thigh, specifically referencing your quadriceps femoris muscle, commonly known as the quad. So this can be a little bit awkward, as you will see. You need to lay down, but just remember, we're trying to roll out those adhesions in your muscle. Just as if you were rubbing it with your hand, you're using your body weight on the roller to just again loosen up those adhesions and help your muscle get to that elongated fiber nature that it would like. So I'm using a yoga mat on the floor. You also need a foam roller. This is about half the length of some of them. It doesn't matter what length you use. You just want to make sure that it is hard, it's firm, it's styrofoam, so that when you put your body weight on it, it will not collapse under you, okay? So I'm going to be turning to my side and starting with my right quadricep to roll it out. So again, please make sure that you're in a stable place. This can be, again, a little challenging. We'll be moving our body using something that's rolling, so you want to make sure that you're being safe. So I'm going to turn to my side, like I said, and start on my right side. I'm going to position the foam roller just in front of my knee, so that when I lay face down, it's going to be under my leg, and when I start rolling, it's going to move up and down my thigh. Now, depending on where you're feeling that tightness, you can move it to wherever you're really getting it and feeling it and spend a little bit more time there, but I'm just going to start in a general position. So I'm going to scooch back a little bit, put it in front of my knee, and then lay down. So right now, my right thigh is on the foam roller, and I'm just gonna kind of curl my left toe under and straighten my left leg. I'm balancing on my forearms, and I'm just picking up my right foot so that I can roll back and forth on the part of my quadricep close to my knee. So I'm gonna spend a few seconds here. Nothing's really terribly painful or tight in this area. I'm just going to roll back and forth. And then I'm going to see, that was a little bit more on the inside or medial. I'm going to move it slightly so that I'm going to get the lateral aspect just by moving the angle at which my leg is on the roller. So now I'm just turning in a little bit to get the lateral or side of my leg. And just going to go back and forth. You can make these longer to get more of your quad. It's completely up to you. So I would spend a few seconds in each spot and then continue to put it in a place where you have not rolled it. So I haven't really gotten to the top part. So I'm just going to put my leg a little bit, put the foam roller a little bit higher on my leg and roll out that part as well. So again, I would recommend spending 30 to 60 seconds in each of those areas that is bothering you to fully loosen up those adhesions to help, again, elongate those muscle fibers in your quad. And then you can also switch to the left side simply by moving it over to that side. I hope this was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.